Hello guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how to get all meteor shower badges fast and easy. You don't have to rush these badges, as they are 1 to 2 star badges, and that you have 2 weeks to do them. So don't rush it. Finally, we can get to our badges. For the first badge, you need to open this new chest. And it's very self-explanatory. Basically, you just open the new chest. Then it's the newest creator or mob, whatever you call it, but it's not that hard to kill them. They appear when a meteor happens, and you have to kill 20 of them. Next, it's to mine 25 of these meteor stones. And again, it's self-explanatory. Meteors obviously come in meteor showers, and when they come down, you can mine them. Next one is to craft 5 items in the Meteora Vale, which is a new building to discover, and a new Avail with new crafting recipes. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.